Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to pay the bill or how to settle the payable in Peachtree. We are doing the HNDA computer based accounting past paper. There is a question. The following VOC checks was written to settle the amount account payable. So there's altogether 4 vendor 1, vendor 4, vendor 2, vendor 3. So we need to pay based on these informations in Peachtree. So go to Peachtree. There's option banking and pay bill, or you can pay vendor and purchase. There's option pay bill. Both are same option. And second one, you need to enter the vendor ID VEN001 VEN001 and date 25th June 2020. Date should be 25th June 2020. Check number 124901 124901 and invoice number IN 1000 and you need to pay full amount. So pay full amount, that is 68,000, and through the cash account it should be bank BOC because we need to pay through the BOC checks. So bank BOC and save. Second one, vendor ID VEN004 and date 26th June and check number 124902 and amount 90,000 for the invoice 1124. So 1124, amount 90,000. Then cash account should be VOC, bank VOC. Make sure whether cash account selected bank VOC or other one. If you select other one, you should select VOC. Then save. Third one, VEN002 VEN002 check number 124903 and date 27th June and for the invoice 1038 and amount is 129,000. Then confirm the cash account. Finally save. And last one, VEN003. Select the vendor ID VEN003 and date is 28th June and check number 124904 and for the invoice 1123. Amount is full payment. So click pay it arrow. Then it's automatically catch up the full amount 244,000. Then make sure the cash account it should be VOC. Then save. So we have successfully make the payment through the VOC checks in Peachtree accounting software. Do you have any doubt? Please ask through the comment section and please do the subscription for my continuing video. Thank you.